Mhm.
So I've been teaching like, let's see, for a few weeks now. Inu ilisang niaktunga ilisari niaktunga Inupiatun inukulavot meklektuvot. I'll be teaching about how to speak Inupiat to our children. Atika Aġlizaqlaut Uiviilaut Inupiatun. And so I have North Slope and Shishmaraf Inupiaq. Isagutisa Asi Olating Naziga. Let's get started. Ilisa Liogutani. Let's review these songs. Atok Nyariga. Kikiktamutun, Tuvo Muin, Mechlirang, Nogujok, Tuvok Dortin, Nogoatan Tuvok Bin, Atika Makariklain, Asi North Slope, Ikik bin, Inyungulung, Adiga, Ikik Simarutin, Ikilordak bin, Makatlak bin I, Asi Mumignyariga Nalog Mutun. And this is a song that Ronald Brower taught me. And here's the English translation. And I try to sing the song to my daughter every morning. Akang aturuk bin.
Atokriya. Tuvo mune, Meklirang, Nagurok, Tuvak Dortin, Nagoatun, Tuvak Bin, Atika Makakiklain.
Una tuvo muin.
Tuvo muin.
I tuvo muin.
Tuvo muin.
I
Tuvo muin. Tuvo muin.
Sekanek uktorok bin North Slope.
Okay. Ekik bin enyongolong adiga ekik simarutin ekil shuadak bin makat bin I. Makat bin I.
Yo, atulo taktutin. Ilog niariga una ukalok. Kilokok tunga. Inyungulung.
Oh, ilok silung.
Inyungulung.
Oh, at the end, damna.
Inyungulung.
Ingulun.
Okay.
Tilapin.
Una, whoops. Let me switch these. Kikiktamutun, Miluktilane, North Slope, Miluktilakpin. Ataut nalagnisitchi naga navecto ralusi, Miluktilane, Miluktilakpin, miluktilakpin, asi akang teilugu una
Miluktilain,
pingasuni.
miluktilain, miluktilain, miluktilain.
Adiga,
Milak pen miluk.
oh,
Oh,
sekanek, tegu minyak piung una pingasuni.
Miluktilakpin. Miluktilakpin. Miluktilakpin.
Raha, arigate luatarin. Una, oops. Let me see. Ilog niya giga una. Ilog niya giga. Okay. Nuvecto ra Lucy. Nuvecto ra Lucy. Nuvecto ra Lucy.
oh.
Kanernasi. Kanernasi. Milurorven. 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 Asi nor slow. Na larasi. Milurukpin. 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 Akang. Tilugu una pingasuni.
Miluvugvin, miluvugvin, miluvugvin.
Rồi. Bilo daktutin. Sakanek. Tilugu una pingasuni.
Milurukpin. Milurukpin. Milurukpin.
Ariga. Nuvecto ra Lucy. Nuvecto ra Lucy. Kanernasi. Naguruk. Miluktuatin. Naguruk. Miluktuatin. Naguruk. Miluktuatin. Asin or slope. Nalagasi. Ariga milukkaven. Ariga milukkaven. Ariga milukkaven. Akang tilugu una pingasuni.
Nagurok miluktuatin. Nagurok miluktuatin. Nagurok miluktuatin.
Asi sakanek. Uktorok
Ari.
una.
Ariga milukkavin. Ariga milukkavin. Ariga milukkavin.
Ariga tiluatarin. Kuyanak. Nalagasi. Navecto ra Lucy. Nakuk si payak tutin. Nakuk si payak tutin. Nakuk si payak tutin. Okay. I'm just gonna switch these so you don't get confused about which is which dialect. Asi ilok sira tutin. Ilok sira tutin. Ilok sira tutin. Akang tilugu una pingasuni.
Ilok si ratutin. Ilok si ratutin. Ilok si ratutin.
Anika pilku ratutin. Sakanek tuarok piung una pingasuni.
Nakuk si payak tutin. Nakuk si payak tutin. Nakuk si payak tutin.
Ariga.
Ariga.
Riga tiluatarin. Vasuli. Na naalaqnisitji naalaqasi miluqtilaqpin 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 asi miluqtilain 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 akang telugu
Minduksilen.
kanok tainak pa both of them.
Oh. Daily. Tamakmik.
Okay.
Tamakmik.
Okay.
Miluktilain. 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 Miluktilak. Ben. Miluktilak. Ben. Miluktilak. Ben.
Ariga teluataken. Asi
Daily.
sakanek telugu tamakmek
Miluktilain, 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 miluktilakpin, miluktilakpin, miluktilakpin.
ariga below taktutin. Naalaqasi iloaqsinia yika miluqorven asi miluqorpin akang teilui tamarmek
Milugugvin. 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 Milugugpin. Milugugpin. Milugugpin.
Oi asi sakanek teilui tamarmek
Milugugvin, 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 milugugpin, milugugpin, milugugpin.
Oi ariga teluataken. Naalaqasi nagujuk miluktuatin nagujuk miluktuatin ariga milukkaven akang teilui tamarmek
Nagurok. Miluktuatin. Nagurok. Miluktuatin. Nagurok. Miluktuatin. Ariga milukkavin. Ariga milukkavin. Milukkavin. Ariga milukkavin. Ariga milukkavin.
ariga teluataken. Sakanek
Naguzrak miluktuatin, naguzrak miluktuatin, naguzrak miluktuatin. Adiga milukkavin, adiga milukkavin, adiga milukkavin.
oi below taktutin asi naalaqasi navictoralusi kanarnasi iloaqsiraatutin asi una nakuksipayaqtutin akang teilui tamarmek
Iloxiratutin. 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 Nakuksipayaqtutin. Nakuksipayaqtutin. Nakuksipayaqtutin.
ariga teluataken. Sakanek to bigik
Iluaksiratutin, iluaksiratutin, iluaksiratutin. Nakuk si payak tutin. Nakuk si payak tutin. Nakuk si payak tutin.
Wow.
Arigato.
Ariga.
Okay. Kinya itqaqaviung una.
Look, me look so reclaim. Me look so reclaim. Me look so reclaim.
Miluk Dilane.
Oh, me look Delane. Okay.
Ah,
Me look Delane.
Miluk Dilane. Asi North Slope.
Miluk miluk bin. Nami
Miluk Dilakbin.
miluk tilak bin.
Me look.
I
Oh, I
uva.
wanna feed. I wanna nurse you.
Let me nurse you.
Let
Oh, let
me.
me nurse you. Oh, me look Delane.
Miluk tilak bin.
Akang Delugu Pingasuni.
Me look Delane. Me look Delane. Me look Delane. Me look Dilak bin. Me look Dilak bin. Me look Dilak bin.
Ariga Deluatarin. Sekanek. Inyaksigatin.
Miluk tilane. Miluk tilane. Miluk tilane. Miluk tilak bin. Miluk tilak bin. Miluk tilak bin.
Ariga Deluatarin. Kinya itkare viewing.
Me look so. Me look Suvin. Me look
Miluk bin.
Me look bin.
North Slope. Milurokpin. 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 Asi Kikdamutun. Milurokvin.
Oh, Milirogvin.
Milurokvin.
Miluk bin.
I wonder why I wanted to say Miluk Sukbin. Milugukbin. Milugukbin. Like you're asking a question. Milugukbin. Is that like,
Yep.
do you want a nurse?
Mm-hmm.
So you say Milugukbin, like say at the end hi. Milugukbin.
Bin.
So the post space to want is kind of I'm gonna break our immersion real quick. This one's a tricky one. So the post space is sok. When there's a vowel ending, you add sok.
Oh.
If there's a Q ending in the verb, you assimilate it to a dotted G. Ikayo.
Oh.
If there's a in North Slope, if there's a T ending, you change it the sok to jok. And if there's a K ending, you change the S to a G. And then I forget when, I think if there's a strong consonant, you also change it back to, or it remains an S. So just sharing a little bit about that. So I think for our way of saying milurorvin, I think what's happening with
Mute.
And ours is
Milugukvin.
because it ends with a K, miluk,
Mm-hmm.
we change it to a G.
Okay.
So
Miluk.
Milugukvin. Yeah. Okay. Kanya at ika-review una.
Miluk tuatin. Miluk tuatin.
Achan. Almost.
Oh, Ariga Miluk Kavin.
Oh, nahurok miluk tuatin.
Ariga. Kanok
Nahurok miluk tuatin.
Kanok ba Inupiatun, you both remembered.
Ikatusik. Ikatusik.
Itkatusik asi kuvang mitun ariga itkare negashi. Ariga itkare negashi. That's how they say. You two remembered in kuvang mitun. And then I don't remember how to say it nor slope, but nagujok milukdotin asi ariga milukavin.
So, that dialect you said was from Kobak?
Yeah.
Okay.
Asi kinya it karavyung.
Na milungek tutin sinik tuatin.
Nagujok.
Ariga Miluk Paluk. Damna Sinyakpak.
Nakuatin to.
Ililgarak siniktok. Nirilo taktok. Milulo taktok. Ililgarang.
Milungek kami. Milungek kami sinik simarok.
Milurnek
Milungek kami.
nehami.
Sinik simarok.
Sinik simarok.
Sinaluatar simarok. Sinaluatar simarok.
Milurnehami sinik simarok.
Milungek kami. Milungek kami. When
Oh.
the baby is done nursing, milungek kami.
Milurnehami sinik simarok.
Milungek kami.
I
Milungek kami. And with a tail, milungek kami. Sinik simarok.
Naraka.
Oh, ilok si Ratutin.
Ilok.
Ilok.
Okay, akang. Tilui tamarme.
Ilok si Ratutin. Naku sipak yak tutin. Naku sipayak tutin. Kabra? Ilok si Ratutin. Naku sipayak tutin.
Sakanak. Uktuak pirik.
Eluak Sira Tutin. Eluak Sira Tutin. Nakuk Sipayak Tutin. Nakuk Sipayak Tutin.
Ah, tilotaren. Okay.
Oh dear.
Akang. Ikareview.
Nagusok. Milungechamin.
Naomi. Naomi.
Itkaviung Suli Epaka. My partner can get it. Itkaviung dok.
Itkareviyong sa kanak.
Is this one Adiga Melukagun? No, Adiga Melukavin.
Una ariga milukavin. Ariga milukavin. Aglan. Una nalokmutun, let me nurse you.
Milu.
Let me nurse you.
Let me nurse you. Milungerivin. Milungerivin. No me. Milu.
Miluk
Tilavin.
tilakpin.
Tilakpin.
Miluk tilakpin, nor slow. Miluk tilakpin. Asi kikik mutun. Miluk tilane.
Oh, Miluk Lane.
Miluk
How could I
tilane.
forget that?
Asi miluk tilakpin.
Miluk Lane.
Lane.
Okay, akang. It kakayong una.
Miluk Lane.
Yoy, pilo taktutin. Ariga. It katutin. It kakayong una. Akang.
Nagurok. Nagurok. Miluk Dotin.
Una. Nagujok miluk duatin. Ariga. Pilo taktutin. Asi it kakayong una. Temanad. Do you want to nurse? Nalok nito.
Oh, do you want to nurse? Milugvin.
Davra. Pilo taktutin. Asi. It
Oh, that
kakayong.
was a chance.
Okay, it kakayong una.
Miluglain. Miluglain. Miluglain.
Miluk tilane.
Miluktilain.
Kakayong una.
Milugvin.
Davra. It kakayong una.
Miluk. Miluk. Loktutin.
Nagujok.
Nagurok miluk dotin.
Davra. Asi una.
Gosh, why can't I think? Milulokpin. Milulokpin.
Miluk ne kami sinyak simarok.
Oh, miluk nge kami siniksimarok.
Nakaka. Ilok siratutin.
Nagaka ilok siratutin.
Ilok siratutin.
Nagaka ilok siratutin.
Ki.
Baka ilok siratutin.
Ki. It kakayong una.
Milugupin. Miluguglain.
Achan.
Milugtulain.
Miluk tilane.
Miluktilain. Miluktilain.
Kakayong.
My goodness.
Milukokven.
Milugugvin. Miluktilain.
Nagujok.
Nagurok. Miluk. Nagurok miluk. Oven?
Din.
What? What?
Nagujok miluk doatin.
Oh, nagujok miluk doatin.
See?
Nagujok milungek doatin.
Ilok si ratutin.
Oh, iloksi ratutin. I better write these down.
Bilotokitin. Adiga. Okay. Zakanek. It yung una.
Milu Miluktilavin. Miluktilakpin.
Davra. Miluk tilakpin.
Miluktilakpin. Milurupin.
Davra milukokpin.
Ariga milukpin. Nami.
Atcha.
Miluluat.
Miluluat doatin.
Nakulruk. Milukluatin.
Ariga.
Ariga milukpin. Nami.
Gavin. Miluk Gavin.
Milukavin. What is the ka part?
It's the
Milukavin.
it's conditional. Let me show you.
Ariga milukavin.
Milukavin.
Ariga miluk Gavin. So
Oh, is it like the like it, like you're having it, the miluk?
it's showing like there's a simultaneous action between two events. So literally when you are doing something, this is happening. So this is used when like you're thanking somebody, like "Koyanak ikayugam nga," thank you for helping me. Thank you when you are helping me. And so like here we go. So consequential conditional mood. The realized and unrealized aspect. So the markers for the realized aspect is KA or GA. So like, since you already nursed the baby, you're gonna go with the realized aspect, the KA. And then like the transitive verbs, here we go. So you're saying, I think it's over here. Gavin. They look Gavin.
Mark?
Right here. So here's the VIN right here. And the
Oh, we can't see that. You're on the dictionary online?
No, I'm in the grammar book. Oh, okay, sorry. So let me share again. So this is like the marker for like something happened. So you use like second person singular you, and then you would use like KA then VIN here. Milukavin. So it's kind of like a new ending, or like a little more advanced ending, but you're just showing that like you're expressing the condition or the state of affairs which causes, leads to, or accounts for the action expressed in the independent mood. So
Mm.
like you're familiar with like dutin, right? Like you did something. But this is like a little bit more advanced in showing the relationship between like something that which causes or leads to or accounts for the action expressed in the independent mood. So like you could say, milok dutin, you are nursing, but like adiga milok kavin is adding like two different thoughts together. And in order to do that, you have to use this mood. Anyway,
Rena.
I try not to get into grammar too much, but I think it's helpful
To
for
understand,
people,
yeah.
To I think it'll help you better now understand what you're saying, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I appreciate ariga milukavin, and nagujak milukduatin is not in that consequential mood, but I always like, I wonder, I know we probably say it in that mood, but I haven't been able to articulate it to an elder in a way that they could translate it that way. But I think you can say it the way that I presented it. So anyway, itqarib yung una.
Okay. Ilok Steven. No.
Achan. Ilok siratutin.
Ilok Siratutin.
Kekik damutun.
Kikik Damudun. Damu. I forgot.
Nakuksi.
Oh yeah. Nakuksi Marat. No. Nakuksi Bayaktutin.
Nakuksi payaktutin.
Nakuksi Bayaktutin.
Nakuksi
Bayaktutin. Ami.
Sipayaktutin.
payaktutin.
Sipayaktutin.
Okay. Itqarib yung una sa kanila.
Milukpin. Nami. Miluktilakpin. Miluktilakpin, baby rock.
Ilakpin.
Hariga de luatakin.
Damna. Milukpin.
Sabra, milukpin.
No.
Hariga.
No.
Milukavin.
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 Hariga milukavin. Real advanced Inupiatun
Milukavin.
you speak.
Sipayak Dudin.
Davra, nakuksi payaktutin.
Sipayak Dudin. I thought Mehlektong.
Adawsek, miklektok.
Mehlektong.
Suba. Pipi rock suba. Pipa rock.
Miklektora.
Mehlektong. I told
Ah.
my mother-in-law something Mehlektong, and she said, Nami, baby ka.
Oh. ililgaraga.
Ililgaraga.
Pipiraka.
So ililgarang. So pipi rock is like an anglicized way of
Oh,
saying baby, and so is what her mother-in-law said. But the like Inupiaq way of saying baby in North Slope is ililgara.
Ililgara.
And then like my baby ililgaraga. And then my dear baby ililgarang.
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 Una.
Ililgarang.
Ililgarang. Ililgarang.
Ililgarang.
Subayin. Subay.
Ililgarang. Hi.
Dad sipik so.
Ano kitpin? Anong orang?
Aliga. Aliga. Or wait. Naku. Sipayak. Tutok.
Nakuksipayak tok ililgarang.
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 Asid. Cheese it. Tuk tuk.
Aw.
Cheese it.
Ariga. Let's see. So I think I'm going to so I usually share at the end how I break down these phrases. So I didn't cover yet Niksagukvin and Nagujok Niksakavin, but in Kigikdamutun, this is how like you would string together the phrases. And then in North Slope, this is how you would put together the phrases. And I normally will do like an hour and a half, but I feel like maybe with baby, it'll be good to have like just an hour. Unless you feel like you really want to do because like I also prepared Niksak Dilain Kalak Dilakbin, let me burp you. Nagujok Niksak Duatin and Ariga Kalakavin. And then the same one, Nukuksi Bayaktudin and Iloksi Ratudin. And I could go through them and I could do those lessons, but I also just I just want to be mindful of like taking mom like if you need to be with your kids, you know, we could kind of condense it. And I can go through these next ones another time. But I also will assign homework. So like when you're nursing, use these phrases with your child every time you nurse them, write them down or post them on the wall near where you nurse. And then like for people who don't have kids, I said, you can use dolls or toys to model these phrases while playing. And then maybe like, and then you could also sing this song when your kids wake up. But I like to end the class with just kind of sharing like what you enjoyed, what you would like to take from this class and bring into your home. And maybe also like what I can improve about like delivering this content.
Akan?
Zuna?
Do you want me to go first?
If you want, yeah, you could.
I really appreciate this. This was so helpful. When I was first nursing my babies, I was saying for a long time, I was saying imugukpin, which was wrong because imuk is cow's milk, or I don't know, not the same, right? And then finally somebody corrected me, and I was so happy because I want to say the right thing. And so I've pretty much just had milugukpin for all my babies, and it's really, really great to learn more. And I think my baby's done his kalaking stage is over, like he doesn't need to be burped, but I really love even that part would be really helpful for moms, and it's because it's so repetitive that we're just feel like we're constantly nursing. It would be so helpful to have these phrases especially a new mom. It would really stick them in your head because you would be because you are nursing so often. So I think I love it, and I love the repetition, and even learning the two dialects is really cool. Aliga ano.
Oh, koyanakporak.
Oh, and one little fun fact, my honey, he's sitting right here. I'm gonna show him.
Oh,
His name, Inupiat, sini nga kalayak, but aka nga apal nga lu they called him Kalak.
Oh,
That was his nickname with his grandparents, Mary and Charlie Edwardson. So una Kalak.
oh, Charlie Edwardson. Ilisi magyak.
maybe that means you gotta burp him.
And then he would feel better.
Nakuksipayak tutin.
Kaya din pala.
I'm so glad that so Sakanak and Kalak gave me Maktak and Unalik
Oh,
in it as I'm helping them learn Inupiat. So
that's so awesome.
yeah.
Huenakpak.
Asi akang suna izumat review
Nawari bagiga ilisa luni utawing mutunlu kekta mutunlu asin huergia sikinek ilisa kutua Inupiatun kitingoralu ilisa liwa nagotun. You want to say hi?
Hello.
Uva Wiga.
Hello. How's everybody in Alaska?
Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
Apang.
Yeah,
As
the
you,
next class.
how's everything going? Accomplishing a lot?
Yeah, we're ukagurok mechlektunon Inupiatun. We speak
That's
Inupiat to our
awesome.
children.
Yeah, it sounds good. Okay.
Teku Apang.
Ariga.
He knows some North Slope words too.
Okay.
Yeah,
Have to bring him back.
Have a good day.
Aloha.
Yeah, bye.
yeah, so I think I'll stop the recording, but I won't be